Once you have set up your blog page, like I have here on my page, for example, I have Coach Land's blogs. Is upon entering your site manager and logging into your site manager, if you have new comments, even your own post will require approval. But if you have new comments from yourself or your classmates, those will display here where it says pending comments. You can choose if there are more than, if it fills up this area, you may choose to click all comments, which will display all those that are awaiting approval or disapproval. Here I have created several samples of ones that may need to be approved or disapproved. For example, you can preview the post here and it will display here in green, it will display which particular post or blog the post is for, and then below that in regular black text it will display the post itself. This one is all fine. It says hello folks, so I would simply click approve. It will further prompt me to be sure that I want to, and I would click yes. Here we see another one for the Getting the Most Out of Your CCS Teacher Site blog. Again, I would read over the post here. I wanted to thank you for the video tutorials. They have really helped me to make more effective use of my site. Again, worthy of approval, so I would click approve. Yes. Again, we have another post submitted, comment submitted for the Getting the Most Out of Your Teacher Site blog. I was really impressed with some of the improvements and added features that I've seen on your teacher site since I last visited. I will be posting more specific constructive feedback soon. Again, worthy of approval. Click yes. I see here again for that same blog, I see that someone has put something, perhaps I just typed something offensive or inappropriate by Goofy Guy. Again, they've also put an inappropriate name or a silly name. So because this is something we might not want to approve, you would simply go over to decline. Click decline. It will further prompt you, are you sure you want to decline this comment? Click yes. And it will remove that comment and it will not be posted on that blog. Once you are done approving or denying all comments, click I'm done, and it will take you back to your main site. Now again, anytime you want to see what you have approved or disapproved to be sure that it is or is not there as you want to, go to View Website. You can visit the particular page you want to make sure is updated properly. You can see here on that blog, Getting the Most Out of Your CCS Teacher Site, that we now have 3 comments because I approved 3 of those. They are displayed here with the most recent one at the top because we set it that way in our previous tutorial. You can see it displays the name of the person posting here and approximately when they made their post, and of course that post or comment is left here. Again, in managing your blog, once you have approved these, if you would like to reply to any of those comments, you'd simply click reply. It would automatically, since you are the site manager, it would automatically put your name in for you and your email. You can leave those or delete those, or you can just put in what name you would prefer, and then of course your reply to that. Here I've just put a sample saying thanks, I'm glad it is helpful, and again I would submit that comment. Now again, it does not immediately go into the blog. It has now been submitted for you as the site manager to go back in and approve or disapprove of it. So again, here to exit the View Website function and stay in your site manager, you click this X here. Now again, you're back at your summary page where it lists your different pages on your website. You go back to the page you want to, or I'm sorry, you have, now this is an interesting thing it does. Since you just submitted one, it may not display that there's a comment awaiting approval, but if you click here, it will refresh it and it will show that you do have one. And of course, you can see here the one that I just submitted. Again, I approve of it, so I would click approve and yes, and that I am done approving or disapproving posts, and it would take me back to here. Again, this is how you would work using the comment, approval, and reply functions to again facilitate and further that discussion of learning with your students and between your students beyond the classroom. Thank you.